northern Minnesota, drew up there. They had snowfall a couple of days ago.
It's turning cold up that direction. I was showing during first forecast where temperatures are only in the 30s right now across the Dakotas. Not here right now. Yeah, we hit 86 today. Definitely not. We tied for the 4th warmest October 6th on record. Right now, this October is opening as the 5th warmest October on record. So you need to get the seatbelt going because you better buckle up. We've got some big changes coming our way this coming week. We're talking temperatures going in the upper 80s for the second half of the weekend, into the 30s by the time the weekend or the coming week is over. So a big change going from late July-like weather to mid-November weather in 72 hours by midweek. To start the week, we're going to see our temperatures continuing to stay very warm in the eastern half of the country. Yes, there is some colder air beginning to spill back out to the west, but it's not here just yet. So we're talking temperatures for Monday and Tuesday running at least 16 degrees above normal. Our normal high temperature right now, 69 degrees. So we're talking highs into the upper 80s, pushing 90 degrees in some locations, and it may even feel like the 90s. Tomorrow, forecasting a peak heat index of 91. 92 on Monday, 92 on Tuesday, and then we see it starting to drop slightly by Wednesday, so the humidity is going to stick around as well, at least through midweek. But it is by midweek we start to see a cold front come through here, and that's going to make a lot of change for us because that's what's going to bring the cooler air in our direction. We're going to say goodbye to summer-like temperatures probably for the rest of the year. Not saying we're not going to have another warm-up or two before the month is over, but I think the bulk of the heat is finally over for central Indiana once we get past Wednesday. Today, as I mentioned, we hit 86 degrees in Indianapolis. We got 88 degrees today in Bloomington, 88 in Terre Haute, 88 as well in Muncie, 86 degrees coming in from Columbus this afternoon. Tonight, there's going to be some patchy fog out there, especially over the northern half of the state. So watch out for that late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Temperature-wise, we'll be dropping off into the 60s to near 70 degrees. Through the day tomorrow, we'll see mostly sunny skies early on, turning partly cloudy by afternoon, with temperatures climbing back up quickly into the low 80s by 1 o'clock, up to 83, 86 degrees by 3 o'clock. We should top out right around 87 degrees tomorrow afternoon, with winds out of the southwest 5 to 12 miles per hour. Now, that front I mentioned that's right over the top of us is going to stick around for a little bit tomorrow before it finally starts to lift. There's a chance we may see an isolated shower develop along that front, but I think it's going to be mainly north of Indianapolis, more likely north of a line from Terre Haute over to Muncie and areas off to the north for there. Otherwise, if you got plans to golf tomorrow down at Tamika Woods, look for temperatures to quickly rise up to 87 degrees by 3 o'clock with a very, very small chance for an isolated shower towards early afternoon. Take a look at the 7-day forecast. We are near records for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and then the temperatures start to fall. Falling on Thursday, high of 61 degrees happens early in the morning, 57 for a high on Friday, mid-60s by Saturday, but look at some of the morning lows. Some of you may wake up to the 30s by Friday and Saturday morning.
Well.
Oh, she's already starting.
Yeah, but you're not going to believe this. She was actually applauding those temperatures.
I know, but 30s is just kind of abrupt to transition into fall. That's like transitioning into winter out of summer. I don't like that.
You've had your 80s long enough.
No, I don't agree with that statement. Okay, coming up.